The 18-day monsoon session of Parliament began today with PM Narendra Modi congratulating MPs on choosing duty over coronavirus. The monsoon session is all set for a stormy start with the opposition likely to raise the issues of ongoing India-China standoff in Ladakh, handling of the coronavirus pandemic and economic slowdown. The 18-day Parliament session is being held amid unprecedented precautionary measures against the COVID-19 virus due to the continuing spike in cases. On the eve of the session, the Union Health Ministry reported that more than 94,000 fresh cases have been recorded in India in the past 24 hours. The government has meanwhile listed 23 new legislation for consideration and passage, including 11 bills replacing ordinances. There are also 20 other bills pending in either Lok Sabha or Rajya Sabha. Lok Sabha was adjourned for an hour after paying tributes to former President Pranab Mukherjee, one sitting MP and 13 ex-parliamentarians. After the House convened, Congress leader Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary questioned the government over cancellation of question hour in the ongoing monsoon session. This is not democratic, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said in Lok Sabha. Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary also said that it is a basic right of the MPs and makes the executive accountable. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Monday appealed to all political parties to stand in solidarity with soldiers guarding borders, even as the opposition demanded that the government must come clean on the happenings in eastern Ladakh and the border standoff with China. Speaking before the start of the monsoon session, PM Modi said, "Our forces guarding the border are doing so under very trying circumstances and very tough physical conditions." He noted that the soldiers are bravely discharging their duties while standing guard in difficult hilly terrains with snowfall expected in the coming days and weeks. Former Jawaharlal Nehru University student leader Umar Khalid was arrested by Delhi police on Sunday and booked under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act, widely known as UAPA, for his alleged role in the Northeast Delhi riots which broke out this February. Khalid was arrested by the special cell of Delhi police after 11 hours of questioning and he will be produced before a Delhi court on Monday. Khalid was interrogated by Delhi Police Crime Branch for a few hours on September 2 in connection with the riots. He was previously booked under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act in a different case pertaining to Delhi riots. Earlier, he was also questioned by a special cell of Delhi police over an alleged conspiracy behind the riots. His mobile phone has also been seized by the police. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi, who has been constantly criticizing the government over its handling of the coronavirus pandemic, this morning attacked Prime Minister Narendra Modi yet again as he said, "People of the country have to save their own lives because PM is busy with peacock." Amid sharp surge of coronavirus cases, this is the rhetoric that is coming from Rahul Gandhi. He said India's coronavirus cases will cross 50 lakh this week and active cases will cross 10 lakh. Unplanned lockdown was the gift of one man's ego which led to spread of coronavirus across the country. Modi government said that be self-reliant, that is Atmanirbhar, which meant save your own lives because Prime Minister is busy with peacock, the 50-year-old MP from Kerala's Wayanad wrote in Hindi, referring to PM Modi's call for self-reliant India. A day ahead of the September 15 deadline, ByteDance picked Oracle over Microsoft as its technology partner in the US. The Chinese company was given 90 days by US President Donald Trump to sell the US operation of TikTok to an American company or face a ban in the country. Just when everyone thought that ByteDance will miss the deadline, the company reached a technical partnership with Oracle. ByteDance has chosen Oracle as its tech partner, which means that the company will not completely sell the US business of TikTok. As per Financial Times, ByteDance and Oracle have signed an agreement that doesn't include the complete sale of the short video platform. Through this deal, Oracle aims to address the national security concerns that were raised by the Trump government about TikTok's Chinese ownership. It is being reported that to proceed with Oracle, ByteDance would need approval from Beijing and Washington.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.